After a complex merger, a healthcare staffing organization faced a major challenge. Critical data was scattered across multiple systems, making it difficult to generate reliable, timely insights for leadership. Their reporting process relied on a locally hosted system, manually operated from a single laptop. Data integration consumed up to 50% of one employee's time, limiting scalability, increasing risk, and slowing decision-making. Inspire Solutions partnered with the organization to modernize its data integration strategy using a cloud-native architecture on Microsoft Azure. Manual ETL processes were replaced with automated workflows using Azure Data Factory, enabling seamless, nightly data synchronization. Data from multiple sources, including Oracle NetSuite, APIs, Excel files, and databases, was consolidated into a unified Azure data environment, supported by scalable storage and data lake architecture. With Power BI dashboards, leadership gained near real-time visibility into operations, empowering faster, data-driven decisions. The impact was immediate. Manual data integration work was eliminated, freeing up valuable time. Real-time insights improved operational visibility. System reliability and uptime increased. And a scalable data foundation was established to support future growth. By transforming data integration, Inspire Solutions empowered smarter healthcare operations, delivering efficiency, reliability, and the insights needed to scale with confidence. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus and quality is our commitment.